ni Angel Locsin ang pambabody shaming sa kanya. Wala na raw din sana siyang balak pa na pansinin ito at hindi naman siya apektado. Ngunit naglabas ng official statement ang DepEd. Kaya naman ay umalma rito ang aktres na tila ba hindi sila apektado. I don't mind the insults. Cheap comments do not define who I am. I intended to ignore this issue. But when I read DepEd's statement, aba, teka lang. What bothers me most is apart from teaching incorrect grammar to the students. DepEd seems unaffected that the said teacher is teaching bad conduct and sowing discrimination among the children. Anong mangyayari sa future kung ang mga kabataan ay tinuturuan ng pambabastos at pangungutya sa kapwa? This is the more relevant issue, DepEd, that you should be held accountable and must correct. Sa inyo nakasalalay ang pag-asa ng ating milyong-milyong kabataan. The said teacher should apologize to his students and all the students that read the module. I am fortunate that I had teachers who value good manners and right conduct. Every child deserves to have teachers like them. Tugon ni Angel sa official statement ng DepEd na kanyang inirepost sa Instagram niya nito lamang November 15.
Share, subscribe!